So, my dear friend, I am asking or I am telling about the fake historians of the India, that is Irfan Habib, Romila Thapar. You should know that Romila Thapar is the close relative of Valmiki Thapar, who is the husband of the Sanjana Kapoor, the daughter of the Sasi Kapoor. So these historians and some stupids, Dr. Ram Puniani and some other stupids at the Jogendranath Mandal, who was the scheduled caste from the West Bengal. These stupids do not know all are the sufferer or the Islamic Gunism. As the Prithviraj Kapoor and his son was dragged out from the Peshawar, if they are stating, they will stating that we are not dragged out from the Peshawar, then you are the great liars, including all the Kapoors and all the peoples which were dragged out from the Pakistan are among the greatest liars, because Islam does not respect any non-Muslim due to the Gunism of the Islam, the Quranic verses of Islam, which is very dangerous to the society. I think how shameless these persons are, which are non-Muslims, or if they are the communists, they are so shameless that the Hindus were dragged out by the Bangladesh and the Pakistan due to the division of the Indian subcontinent as a Darul Harb, means that country which is under the attack on the Muslims up until all the non-Muslim converted to Islam and all the land converted as Darussalam. This is the Gunism of the Islam. Even Chandrasekhar Azad, the chairperson of the Bhim army, does not know ABCD of the Islam. He is certified stupid. And the new Buddhists are the certified stupids and the cunning people. When they are changed their cult or the ideology as a Buddhism, if Buddhism is separated from the Sanatan Vedic Dharma, as they declared, then the stupidity of the justice system of India and the stupidity of all governments, including the BJP government, if they are not the Hindu scheduled caste, then why SC/ST Act imposed by them, which are neo-Buddhist or practicing Buddhism? So a SC/ST must have given a certificate to the authority, that is the court, that I am believe in Hinduism or Sanatan Vedic Dharma, then he can put SC/ST Act on the other peoples. But if this person is a neo-Buddhist and try to impose the case against the non-SC/ST of the Hindus or the Muslims or the Christians, because this ST Act allowed against all these communities, then this person who is performing irregularity or misguiding the police and the government of India, he must be jailed at least 20 years. Then this fornication or the prostitution in the name of the SC/ST will be stopped. So those people, as the Romila Thapar, Irfan Habib is a Muslim. He is a Islamic goon. According to Quran, he is the goon to the non-Muslims. But Romila Thapar, if he is not Hindu, is communist, he is very dangerous to the society. These pseudo-seculars are the even more dangerous to the venomous fangs of the cobra. And I have written this book on the such type of goons in the shape of the Romila Thapar, Irfan Habib, and so many historians. Venomous fangs of cobra, dangerous poison to the society. These are like the Islam, which is also a dangerous society, poison to the society. These fake historians are also dangerous to the society. Romila Thakar is the stupid and the layman. She does not know even single ABCD about the Islam. And my challenge to all these fake historians, Irfan Habib, Mehboob Mufti and his daughter Iltija Mufti, that all the Muslims are the terrorists according to Quranic verses, because it is the duty, firm duty of any Muslim to obey the teaching of the Islam, that is the teaching of the Muhammad. This is not teaching of the any Allah, because to descript or because to prove the Allah is the fornication or the prostitution. These peoples are the mind prostitutes which are trying to uphold the Islam. As Chandrasekhar Azad, sometimes he was Azad, sometimes he was Ravan, but he is not Azad. He is a slave of the stupidity and the slave of the ignorance. And he thinks that everybody will be draw back from his warning. I have no worry the warning of any Chandrasekhar Raman or the Vaman Meshram, because I belong to that group of the society which have the population of more than 80% in the Hindu society, means OBC, and the journal, that is 67% of the total population of the India, or more than 70% almost. And it must know that the ST Act also imposed on the so-called OBCs. OBCs are not immune from the SC Act. Then the PDA of Akhilesh Yadav is null and void, because the PDA base is the Pichhada, OBC, that the scheduled caste in the large scale, or minority, that is the main majority in Uttar Pradesh is the Muslims. But where is the scheduled tribe in the PDA? Because the scheduled tribe population is very few in the Uttar Pradesh. So all these people which are pseudo-secular as playing the Goonism to upload the Islam without knowing the ABCD of the Islam. These are the bunches of the jokers. As Dr. Ram Punyani, I am amazed that he is doctorate in any subject, but he is so stupid. He cannot defeat me in any debate on the Islam, and all the Islamic clerics, including the Grand Mufti of Saudi Arabia, my challenge to prove that Islam is not a full-time Goonism or the hooliganism against the non-Muslims. So these fake historians are stupid, and in the English language they are, Hindi language they are the Ullu. The Ullu is more intelligent than these vagabonds, because these vagabonds are uploading the Islam, means indirectly supporting the Goonism of the Islam, that is the killings of the non-Muslims, rapes with the non-Muslim women, and the robbery or the loot of the non-Muslim women in the name of the fake Allah, which was created by Muhammad ibn Abdullah, the son of Abdullah. So Islam is a full-time stupidity with barbaric in nature without knowing the any logics. Where logic ends, Islam begin. Where logic begin, Islam ends. So we can say that the Muslims are brainwashed due to the Islamic ideology or the doctrine. But what is the problem to Romila Thapar, Dr. Ram Punyani and other pseudo-seculars that they are protecting the Islamic Buddhism, applauding the Islam? In one video I saw that Ram Punyani is saying that the eating of the food or the meat in the Arabic culture due to the lack of the vegetables. I have no objection. Many Hindus are eating meat, but personally I hate the non-vegetarians due to their habits to kill the animals and then eating them. But I am not objecting this. But what is the compulsion of any Muslims or the Muhammad that he was killing the non-Muslims and were the raping the non-Muslim women as Muhammad did? So many rapes the non-Muslim women, mostly the Jewish women as the Safiya bint Huyya. What is the problem with that? But the Romila Thapar and Mahbooba Mufti, all the Muslims are telling a lie. My challenge to Mahbooba Mufti, when the Hindus women were molested by the Islamic goons, where are you? Your tears are flowing just like a channel or the water channel in favor of the Islamic goons at the Yasin Malik and others. All the Muslims who are believing in the Islamic ideology, they are the Islamic goons. They are the liability on the society, civil society and ethics. And the followers of these Islamic ideology as Romila Thapar, Dr. Ram Punyani may be stupid because he asserted that I am not a specialist in the Islam. If you are not a specialist in Islam, then this is not the stupidity that you are upload the Islam and you are stating that Islam is the piece of the religion. You are certified stupid or you are certified layman about the Islamic Gunnism, though you are doctorate in any subject. I don't know what was his subject. And same Romila Thapar is a fake historian. Romila Thapar and Irfan Habib is a Muslim. He can do everything to protect the Islam or Islamic Gunnism. But now it has been disclosed a true Muslim is a terrorist or a certified terrorist, a true Muslim, because Islam is a book of the terrorism. But Romila Thapar and the fake historian was funded by or were funded by the Congressy goons, because everybody, even every single worker of any party or any single person belong to any community or caste or any religion, that is Hindu, Jewish, Christian, if they are processing or performing the candle march for the save the any Muslim who is a terrorist, they are also a perfect goons or more dangerous to this society. To see the real character of these historians, you must read my book. That is, I would like to show you that book. Democracy, Panorama of Democracy in Indian Context. The spelling of the panorama is somewhat wrong due to the mistake, clerical mistake, but you can understand panorama spelling if you will read my book or my books. One of book is Invaders and Indian Facts, which is the exposure of the Islamic Gunnism and the shamelessness of these fake historians as the Romila Thapar, Ram Punyani, others, Irfan Habib. So every Muslim who are performing 5 times namaz, he abusing to the non-Muslims 48 times in a day. And these people are saying, Mr. Stupid Chandrasekhar stated that show me the single verse of the Quran which is incorrect or which are allowed to killing. Mr. Stupid Chandrasekhar, I would like to say you that I will show many verses of the Quran which allows the killing of the non-Muslim. Being a non-Muslim or all the new Buddhist or all the pets of the Chandrasekhar Ravan, you are liable to kill by the Islam. According to the Quranic verses, you are filthy, just like a stool or the latrine or wastage or the excreta of the human or the dogs. Your Akhilesh Yadav is also a filthy person according to the Islam. No Muslim will adopt you as a non-Muslim because you are liable to kill by the hand of the Muslim due to the Allah order. This is my brief video for your eye closing that the Romila Thapar and all the fake historians which are uploading the Islam, they are the certified followers of the Gunism of the Islam. Thank you very much.